Good morning everybody, and welcome to Wildlife and Nature Vlog number 10. We still haven't made it to the Lake District yet, but what we did do is put the wildlife camera out again last night. I've not done it for a while, and it was such a warm night I decided to head out about 9:30 and place the camera, put some bait down, and that's exactly where we're going now. Let's go and collect that, see if there's anything. As you can see behind me, it's quite a dull morning. It was a very warm night. I wasn't expecting rain actually. It is damp underfoot, but I think that's just down to dew. It's not quite as muddy as it has been, but yeah, it looks like that may have held off, so that's good for the camera. So we'll go and collect that, give it a quick look, and see if we've got any clips. I've just seen my dog walking friend, and he says he's been out since 4:30 this morning, and he saw the tawny owl just outside Woodpecker Wood. Now I wonder if that's one of our tawny owls that we saw as youngsters. Who knows? You can tell I haven't done this for a while. I forgot to check if the bait had gone. Let's have a look. "41 clips. Now then, I can't remember whether I actually cleared the SD card or not. And the answer to that is, I'm not sure. No, I don't think I did, because that's from last time. These are from the 1st of August. Oh, it's the 1st of August today. That's a hedgehog. Hedgehog. Oh, going backwards it. Can't see anything on there. Fox. Definitely the fox. That was last night, about 11:15. Oh yeah, plenty. Right, that's good. just checked on my apple trees, and out of the 3 that I've already planted, one of them's doing really well. It's about 2 foot tall, but it's really gone over. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put a stake in and just tie it up to give it a bit of a chance. One of them I can't find, and the other one I used the markers, struggled to find it, eventually found it, but the grass is growing quite long now, so it's a bit more difficult to find, and it's not growing that well. Did have a few slugs on it, so maybe that one was a bit small when I planted it. So the ones I've still got in the apartment are really getting quite tall now, so maybe they need to come out and be planted in the meadow as well. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow morning. Still only about 6:30 in the morning, but you can already start to feel it warming up. I purposely didn't put my jacket on, just put my fleece on, but even with this on, I'm still starting to get a bit warm. I think it would have been alright with just the base layer. Because yesterday was such a lovely day, really warm, I decided to go out to my local nature reserve, which is literally 5-10 minutes drive away from where I live, so I'm really lucky in that respect. And I just went out and walked around the lake. So I did get to the lakes after all, and just took some photos. Lots of different birds, as you'll see, squirrel, and it was just nice to get out in the sun. Right, well, I just thought I'd take this opportunity to just show you where all the magic happens. This is where I do all my editing. This is my YouTube room, as I call it. So I've got my screen on the wall there. This is a desk that I made myself out of pallet wood. There's all the way around there. You might recognise a few things on there. We've got, whoop, there's Mini Jester, and there's another Mini Jester. There's my Mini Mac, my D7000, Nikon P5100, and my lenses, there's the wildlife camera, and another pallet wood creation, and all my pencils in. There's the food for free. So this is where I do all my editing. There's a recent photo. And down here, there's one of the apple trees that's getting ready for planting. As you can see, it's doing quite well, that one. There's my brew, of course. There's another one of my apple trees that's not doing as well. And then this one is doing very well, but it's starting to bend over a bit there, so that needs sorting. And here is my tomato plant. She's doing quite well. Got some there, and I've got some there. So yeah, so that's my little workstation. This is where all the editing gets done for all the videos that you've been watching over the last few months. Now we're just going to use some detective skills here. So why would that patch of grass just be flattened to there, to those little divots like that? Here's the path, flattened grass, and a defined mark there. It's almost as though somebody's been in with the feet to about there, but why would they do that? If we look there, there's blackberries been picked. Mystery solved. Finally managed to get some footage of the grasshoppers or the crickets. I'm not quite sure which they are. I'd have to look that up when I get home. But either way, they've been quite elusive this last week or so that I've been trying to capture them on film or even just a photograph. So it was great to see two of them. One of them going like the clappers with its legs, making its chirping noise. So that was good to see. Well, that brings us to the end of this episode. It was great to see the foxes again, or the fox cub at least, and I hope you enjoyed my little walk around my local nature reserve and looking at the photos that I took of the birds and the squirrel. If you did enjoy it, then please give us a thumbs up. It really does mean a lot when you get those thumbs up. It sort of lets me know that I'm maybe doing the right thing and that you're enjoying the videos, so that's always good. And make sure you leave all your comments as always, because I do enjoy reading those, and you're always giving me some great information and feedback, so keep that coming. I can 99.9% assure you that the next video you watch will be in the Lake District. Like I say, I'm going away for a week, so it's going to take me a bit of time to get those edited up, but hopefully I'll get those out to you as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the link up here.